So I'm going to wash and wax the van today and try to restore the Roadtrek topper. I've been hearing a lot about ZEP floor polish to supposedly restore an RV's shine. We'll see. Okay, y'all, here's my weapons of choice. I'm cleaning the van today. Got some black stripe marks in it, or streaks I should say, and I'm going to use black streak maneuver from Camco along with some Dawn detergent. And when I'm done with that, I've been reading up a lot on YouTube about ZEP, actual wet look floor polish. Make a remover as well, but people are putting these on their RVs. So I'm going to put that in a bucket with that sponge there and see how it looks. I'm a little cautious about using this. I don't know if cautious is the word I want to use, but it's kind of permanent. So we'll see what it does. They say to put 1 to 2, even 3 coats. So, time to get busy. Hey guys, just a quick fact tip here. I'm cleaning the van, and this side is done. I'll let you know this is a pretty cool product. It's black streak remover, and it really gets the black streaks out, as you can see here, versus over here. See the black? They're nasty. Yeah. Black streak remover. I've even put a little bit into the actual soap and water too. That's it. So hopefully you can see this, where I've done a whole topper part here, which is fiberglass. You can see where there's a little bit left here. I'm going to try this with 2 hands. But a regular scrub is, with soap, doesn't quite come off. So I add a little bit of this stuff, which is the black streak remover from Camco. Soak it on there real good. This will be the second batch where I let it sit a little bit, and it just pretty much comes right off. Put a little pressure to it with a standard scrub brush. Of course, I don't use this on paint, but I use the sponge side. But it comes off pretty good. Okay, so I washed the van, dried her off, put the ZEP cleaner on, and I can tell a difference in shine. The only thing I'm a little upset about is that it dries fast and it streaks. And here's a perfect example. I don't know if you can see that, but I missed that for some reason. That's like a permanent streak from the ZEP floor wax. So I was a little skeptical about using it. There's a couple of little spots on the other side where it's run. Here's some right here. I just didn't see it. It's just a couple underneath the door handle. It's from that polish. So I don't know. Makes it shiny, but I don't know if I'd recommend it just because of that. And I want to wax the van soon, and it shines. Okay, got the van moved in the shade. Some finishing touches here. Gonna try Mcguires Ultimate Compound. It's a little higher end wax than the others, but this van kind of needs it. Okay, using this Mcguires Restore wax, I'm definitely seeing a difference. I've only done this side so far. This whole part's been done except the door. Can you see the shine versus the door? Just see, reflection even isn't there. So yeah, I think it's working pretty good. Just gotta do the door and the rest of the vehicle. Oh, what a day. Wash, polish, wax. Well, it's pretty much done. Just gotta do the tires yet. But it's got a polished camper top and it's got wax. See if there's a 9-day difference. Fortunately, the Roadtrek was definitely neglected from previous owner. I get sat in the sun a lot, and just trying to get the paint to come out. I might have to buff it. And then the hood, eventually I want to get the hood done. It's bothering me. I want to get that painted. But just trying to restore the paint. But again, I might have to buff it out. But that is the before and after. If you got any suggestions, let me know. Y'all take care now.